Nazi, come here. Cell Squad is something. Don't look off the dance, man. Yo, you want something? Yeah, man. Cell Squad is. Yeah, man. Don't lock it off. Don't tell her. Guess what, Squad? Go buy a peanut from the peanut man. When him a go through in the dance, in a inbox him have everything you want. Herbs by the bottom by the stock. I like the top shell and them a shell down the bar. Watch it, mind your step on them clock.
Welcome to True Island History Channel, on a journey with the Guru. And today we're on an excursion in our beautiful capital, downtown Kingston, Jamaica. We start our journey heading in an easterly direction along at Marcus Garvey Drive, and we're heading into the heart of the capital, the deadly, the venomous capital. Past, this was not so. This was a bustling capital. To tell you about Kingston, I have to go way back. It didn't start with just Kingston. Everything started at Port Royal, yes. It was a haven for pirates. A haven with a litany of riches, where pirates from all over the globe came to hoard their riches, a nest egg, if you will, until that fateful earthquake, that devastating earthquake in 1692, because everybody was at Port Royal. Port Royal was the place to be. Matter of fact, Port Royal was supposedly the only place that was occupied. That was where everybody was, until that seismic shift that sank Port Royal. Now everybody fled to the mainland. Now, in that diversification, that's when people realized, look, we can make a home out of this. So now they started making roads, and they started doing trades, and downtown Kingston was part of them. So they didn't move too far inland, but, some ways from Port Royal. And that's how downtown Kingston was born. And it was far from violent. It was a merchant area. And it came up through the ranks, still seen as a good place to live. People could leave their door open until the late 70s and then the 80s election, and everything changed for the worse. When politics came in, that threw a wrench in the bicycle spokes. So people began choosing sides, PMP and Labour Right. Tivoli Gardens was down the other side, Matches Lane them up the other side. Spanglers versus Nazi. And now people start move out. But the commercial side of it, though, was still maintained. So follow me on this journey. For all who haven't been back home for years, this is your beautiful downtown Kingston, and some of you guys have left it so long, you don't even remember the violent part of it. You left it when it was good. Well, keep those memories. It's wonderful to have, nostalgic. So come with the Guru, man. Make we take a trek. We just pass Princess Street or go up. Yeah, man, we are heading now to the next cross street, which is Orange Street. I say the next cross street, me just a goon of them, You understand me? The next cross street, where we are go the next cross street, gonna be King Street. You understand me? Yeah. So, we're there Orange Street, but we still up on Harbour Street, heading into an easterly direction. And where are we? Downtown Kingston. Okay? I remember me telling us, stop round there, so round a craft market, and get items if you go back a foreign. Understand me? For all of you, tourists, come back and tell them that the guru sent you. Understand me? And remember, Moby Dick. Jesus, peace them, man. They used to sell some wicked. Alright, see King Street, you just a pass. What's a police vehicle? Alright, these 10 people, him stop and give away. Moby Dick used to sell some of the wickedest seafood. I don't remember if him still down there. But me not have time to stop for me. I go about my business, you know. You understand me? And the next cross street we approach is Duke Street. You understand me? Yeah. So we in a little traffic, you know, but now what that see moment they go through, you understand, me tap and gear away from me now. One bong side down. You understand? And see the next lady there come through. Me know I can't see she come from, you know. You understand, with a little countryman, you can't wait for see reach where she go for go sit down and bounce out a little bit, you know, and like man go bounce out a little bit, and then you say you go, you understand? But at downtown this one, yeah man, and it's being developed, you know, Scotia there everywhere, boy. See them up there, so yeah. So if you don't have no local money, I don't want to talk it. Wait, no, do not man that. I wonder if I see him, do not man for no ugly park road. You don't feel like him? Alright, you don't feel like him? Alright, so I Duke Street that. Who know Duke Street, at Duke Street, but you know man I call it Duke Street. And say, here Jamaica there now. Who not do? Who not fly out? Go buy a ticket, no? Alright. No what, no fear. See fireman them there, you know. And you have to rate them, because you know Jamaica hot in high. Alright, see me in fire suit there. Remember, ready for whatever. And you see next cross street where I come up to, that's gonna be East Street. East Street. And the one after that gonna be Hanover Street. You understand me? Hanover Street, yeah. So we just reach East Street, and then the next cross street after that is Hanover Street. And there's a badness there. Alright, that's the thing there. I want a tanker there in front of me. Bike, you good? Look more. Alright, you see on the left, when you tell about the South Side story and the Tel Aviv story, right over there, so. You see, alright, right over there, so when I look now over Chubby Dread corner there, so the white building them there, so, yeah, over Chubby Dread place there. Heitzman them used to all coach over, you see, you feel? Heitzman them place that. Heitzman them, you don't remember Heitzman? Big coach Heitzman. Him drop out years now still, but see feel to the right there. Yeah, to the right. Yeah, over there, so. Heitzman, see ball field there. Enough of Pogo them used to. You know, Pogo from True Island story. Baller. Yo. Baller. Yeah, man. I Chubby Dread them, man. Yeah, man. I Pogo them place over there, so, man. There, so. Over there, so. We just pass the home of Dark Side and Genocide. Alright. You see, we are elevate now. Kingston Ice Factory. The summer half here, so. I think up on the right, they say, when you go over the bridge, you know. Yeah, man. Alright, you see, if you make the right, they say now, that carry to out Airport Road. You see, on the left, South Camp Road, that a bottom South Camp Road, and carry go straight up back, upper South Camp Road, upper Mobile Reserve, Arman Barracks, way up there, so. You understand me? But alright, see you green there, so me take my time go on me, though. Me take my time go on me, but me come on the journey with me. Alright, you see to me right now, a PSC. See, look. You see tranquil, man. Look how Jamaica pretty, man. One of them, man. A Micah Manley Boulevard, this in a man. A PMP Boulevard, this in a. But yeah, what me now go to airport, because if I continue straight, that would carry me go to airport. But me go take a B line, as we call it in Jamaica, and turn back. You understand? So me still upon Michael Manley Boulevard. Now me upon Port Royal Street. When me say it name, Port Royal Street. You know, heading back towards Kingston. Now look how the sea beautiful. And you know, say me have a fishing line I chunk, me say me just, I want me can go find some bait. I see me can throw my line and catch 2 snapper. Yeah man, them a work on the road, you know. What the Chinese them a spend our money? The Chinese them a spend our money with we. Yes. You see them a widen the road. That's why I want to come back. I don't stay too long from the country. Because when you come back, you're not going to recognize it. You're not going to recognize it. The place are wider. Jamaica beautiful. Let me look at me see no cold gel in my eyes. See the feel from that side there. More time I'll put them kick all the ball, you know. The ball last go over see how too little you been all look and choke off that. And that man tell you yellow. Too little you been I see the man them over there so a bill, yeah. More time I'll when deliberate them alive them just screech past the border. Oh, I see if you go up further behind me. Up there, so Raytown, but we are going to Raytown in another video, but we're still on Port Royal Street and we're heading in a westerly direction. But we have to take time, you know, because the road they build it and the Chinaman them putting in the money into the thing and I don't want my car tire to mash up. Look at that brother forcing his way. Where him forcing his way going? Him don't see the road building. What is wrong with him? Him don't see cement and gravel. Him don't see cement and gravel. Look here, man. Me say if you go Jamaica right now, you're lost. You see all them lump ups and that down a south man go to bury under them sat. I joke. Alright, me I make a right turn. Me still on Port Royal Street, gentlemen. Still on Port Royal Street. Now me a turn back now and I go right back down in a meter matter. You see them pretty building there? Jamaica pretty. You know, stay from the country too far, man. Jamaica, Kingston, one of the most beautiful places in Jamaica. I remember tell you something. The place don't the people nothing, you know. It's the people them that live in it. You understand? So I want to tell your people and your friends to subscribe to this channel. You see it? Subscribe. Please like and subscribe. You see it? You see that big subscribe button? Okay, so I'm going to leave it here. Alright? You guys, hope you enjoy the video. And remember, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment, okay? Have a wonderful day. Until our next excursion, this is the Guru TIS signing out.
That's it, come here. Cell Squad is something. Don't look off the dance, man. Yo, you want something? Yeah, man, Cell Squad is... yeah, but don't lock it off. Don't tell her. Guess what, Squad? Go buy a peanut from the peanut man. When him a go through in the dance, in a box him have everything you want. Herbs by the bud and by the stock. I like the top shell and them a shell down the bar. Watch it, mind you step on them clock.